Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing my August. These are my August BoxyCharm Premium and my BoxyCharm Base. BoxyCharm is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. What I have right here is this one in the back. This is the Premium. This one right here that we're going to open up, this is the Base. The Base is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size beauty products. So you do get to customize one item in the base, and I believe it's 2, maybe 3. I'll correct it and it'll be on the bottom of the screen if for some reason I got it wrong. But anyhow, you get to make your choice in each of these boxes. So why are you seeing 2 of each? Because I have now a separate account. I have the Lady Lori account. I also have the BoxyCharm over 50 account, so I am getting that now. I can't remember. I didn't really pay too much attention. I'd have to go into my emails to take a look to see which box is which. But we're going to get into this now. Enough jabbering. This is it. They do give you a card. It does have a theme. The theme for the August was Go All Out. On the other side of the card, you do get a description of each of the items that's inside your box, as well as the price, the retail price. So for August, it was Go All Out. Now, I am a little late in getting these boxes unboxed and opened and recorded and uploaded to YouTube because I was a busy girl in the month of August. And I got these within the first 7 days of the month. So I should have just knocked it out and been done with it. But you know what? Having my grandbabies a week at a time, one at a time as well, was more important to me. So let's get on with the unboxing. I do not have any eyeshadow on. That's the only thing. I don't have anything on my eyes, but I have everything else on. So I'm hoping that I can dabble around in some of the stuff that's in this box. Okay, so the first item we have is by Kate Somerville, and this is the Exfoliate, which a lot of people I did see, I watched a few videos, and they're pretty excited about this one. They also say it's extremely hydrating. This is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, and this one comes in at 70 bucks. So this one right here, just the value of this product here, paid for your box twice. You think of 2020, oh geez, you could almost go, let's see, at 70. Give it another $5 and it paid for your box 3 times. And I will not go through each box. If there's duplicates, you don't have to worry about it. I'm just going to try to get 2 of the base boxes, and then we're going to record the premiums back to back. Oh, you're curious as to what variation I got? I got 019, so 19. So this is our little container there. Always with the little happy face, kind of like I Do Care has something similar. That's your little top, and it is goopy. That was pretty goopy. So you got your little cap right there, and then you have this, and I don't know if it's going to start coming out or not. It is pretty thick in consistency, and like I said, I did watch a few of the unboxings on this particular box, on the base box for August, and aside from this smelling absolutely divine, everybody loved the way it felt. I really probably should have left my face plain, and then that way I could have put this on underneath. But I am wearing the BB moisturizing tinted moisturizer from Perlice, and my favorite. So it smells amazing. It feels amazing. It does not feel greasy at all. I will say that. Most of you probably already know about this product because I am into it. September 6th, as you can see the date right there. And August has already come and gone. They're already sending out. My BoxyCharm was sent out 3 days ago, so I'm pretty excited about it already. But like I said, it feels really nice. And I don't really have a moisturizer that I use to complete all of my skincare routine in the end of the day. And I really should. I have really nice moisturizers, but I always forget because they're in that back. They're in the closet in the back. Okay. 70 bucks. All right, next we have by Perlice, and this was my choice right here. This is the Perlice Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40. As I said, this is what I have on my face right now. This one is not the same as the one that I was using. The one that I'm using has kind of like this tan color right here, and it's not the Ageless Glow Serum, but it is a BB moist. It is a BB cream. This one has that peachy, see that real that pretty peach, kind of like an aluminum a little bit container, but it does have the SPF 40. So this one comes in at $38. As I said, this was my choice, and I want to say this one here, once I open the other box I'll be able to tell, but I want to say this was the Lady Lori. It had to have been. It had to have been. Okay, then by Ditto Cosmetics we have the limited edition Venus 12 shade palette. I first opened these boxes and my first impression was, are you kidding me? But it's nice. It really is nice. I have not used it. I have swatched one of the palettes because I wanted to see what they felt like and what they were like. And they are really pretty. So this is what we have inside. It does have a mirror, as you can see right there, pretty big, but it does have some beautiful colors in there. As you see this one right here that has the bronze. Do we have silver? We have silver specks in there, like yellows. I have seen a couple of people use this palette. I'm excited to use it because I think I can get a pretty good look out of it. So we're just going to keep on going and see. And I do know I did get 2 palettes, as I mentioned, and I swatched on the other one. This one here comes in at $29.99. Okay, that's one that they put in your box for you. And then by Flower Dose, this is the Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower water, and passion fruit extracts. True and luscious. Does this look familiar? Tell me it does, because it does. Because we've received this before. You know this box. We've talked about this box a couple of months back. I think it was in July, June or July, we received this product. So it's not that big of a deal. At 34 bucks, I'm okay to have an extra one on hand. You know, if somebody, one of the girls needs it, they can have it. And then by IM, this is the Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals and Charcoal Makeup Remover Wipes. I love these. Love these. Now, I have these always next to me when I'm recording to wipe stuff off my hands or my arms wherever I happen to swatch. These things feel amazing. Now this one is the Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum. This one here is the Dead Sea Minerals plus Charcoal. So there are 25 wipes in here, which is a lot. I've had this one for over a year and I'm still using it. Those go for 12 bucks for 25, so not bad. You get this. You get this. I chose this. You're getting this. This is the big ticket item. That's that $70 Kate Somerville. And then you're getting this pretty awesome palette by Ditto Cosmetics. Whether it performs good, I don't know. We'll see. I got my brushes out right here, and we're going to go ahead and open the second base box. Anyway, all right, let's get on to this next box. Same one. This is my second base box. And again, you get the card. This one is Go All Out. On the back, you get a list of the items inside your box, as well as the retail price. And just looking at the item inside that box, I can tell you right now, this right here, this is the Lady Lori. This is because of the BB cream, and I just saw what's in here. This is my Lady Lori account. Okay, let's get on with it. This is the Beauty Over 50, basically, okay? So we did get as well the Kate Somerville, so we don't have to go through that. That is that $70 Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Then they have, and this is what I chose for my Beauty Over 50, is the Lava. It's either Lava or Lava. These were the lashes. So these are the Flirty Lash Set. They come in at $54. It says the Flirty Lash Set includes a best-selling 3D Mink Flirty Lash, a clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and gold applicator. $54. So I'm excited. I'm starting to experiment a little bit more with different styles of lashes. So I'm excited about that. The Beauty Over 50 account, my alter ego, she is very adventurous and she is willing to step out of the box. She's willing to go where I have not been, you know, I haven't been pushed to go there. So that's why her choices are very different. She's also a redhead. They're fiery. They're like pistols. So there you go. This beautiful little kit that it comes in. Sorry about that. Hopefully you can see it. There's the glue. There is the gold applicator. And look at those lashes. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get these on when I try this stuff on in the box. We will see if we have enough time. As well, the Ditto Cosmetic. This is the Venus palette, 12 shade limited edition, $29.99. We have the Clara's New York. This is the stimulating targeted treatment. This is a retinol. It's natural, 96%. So from Clara's, this is actually pretty good. The stimulating retinol facial serum. I mean, come on. This one, although it's only $24.99, this stuff is like gold. This, to somebody with mature skin, you know, that's why it is Beauty Over 50, Beauty Over 40 as well. But for someone, you know, like me who is I'm in my 50s, I just had my birthday last month in August, I gotta take care of my skin. Retinol is my friend. It's my friend. Let's see this. You gotta be careful with retinol though. I don't have any issues with it. My skin does not reject retinol at all. It loves hyaluronic acid, pure. I don't have to get the kind that is watered down. I can go straight for the, look at that. And it feels really nice. I mean, I can imagine what it's gonna feel like, you know. Here, this is where I need it, you know. I put some on this morning when I did my face, so a little extra isn't gonna hurt. Anyway, this one coming in at, again, $24.99. So we've got this here. And then we have the Manna Kadar Beauty. This is the Hydration Happy Face Mist. You guys have seen, if you've seen my videos, the ones in the past, I did get the full Manna Kadar 5 products in the American Influencer, and I want to say it was last year sometime. This stuff is amazing. I'm not going to open it because the other one is already open in the closet. Go check out the beauty room tour. And I hope you guys like it. I had a lot of fun. This is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for these 2 bookshelves, and they came out good. So I trade out during the seasons. You're going to see a lot of the little decorations come out and the seasonal stuff go up. All right. Okay, you guys. So there you got it for the BoxyCharm Over 50. And then I'm going to go ahead and I think we're going to play around with this right here. So if you'll hang on, I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just kind of taking a look at this palette. I'm not really sure what we're going to do yet. But as you can tell, I have dipped into this thing. You can see that's a little bit smudged. Pretty much most of them, except for a couple, I've played around with. They do feel really nice. They feel very soft, but you know, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to go on the eyelid the same way. So let's see what we got going on here. I really want to go with that Demos. I think that's how you say it, and that is that gold and that silver one, but we're not going to do that just yet. I think we're going to, is that Earth? I like Earth. Earth is pretty. That's a pretty color. This one right here. See that one right there? That's a pretty color. So we're just gonna dab a little. Not too much. I don't want a lot. Ooh, no fallout. That's nice. I welcome that. You know, there's not much pigmentation to this. This is very cakey. This, I don't know the name of the planet, but I am not liking it at all. So I went ahead and jumped off camera and put it on, and just because it was going to be a hot mess and me trying to do it on camera was going to look like a super jerky type of, you know what I mean, stop, go, fast forward and everything. It does not go on very well. This color right here, I don't know the name. This right here seemed like a really nice color. And it is. It's a beautiful looking color, but I had to use my fingers. I had to do a lot of work, and so we're just going to keep moving on and hope the other colors behave much better than this. And I don't even know what I'm going to take down to my bottom lash line because, to be honest with you, I don't know. I'm not trusting these colors. Did I get the failed palette? Did I actually get the palette that sucks so bad? This is really bad. I think that's about as far as I want to go. Anything else and I'm gonna just be so embarrassed trying to record these other videos. And like I said, it might just be a hit miss. Maybe it's the palette that I got, but this palette does not perform in any way, shape, or form the way I saw on a couple other videos. And I'll state it again, they did not have every one of these shades work well. They did have issues with them. So I'm not the only one, and I only used about, what was it, 3 or 4 of the colors, and they're awful, absolutely awful. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pop off camera again real quick. I'm gonna get my lashes done, and I will be right back. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna leave the face the way it is, you guys. It's embarrassing, to be honest with you. It is pretty embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. But if you would do me a great big favor, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, you know, that one over there, and that would help me out a whole bunch. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your feelings are, what your thoughts are on this August box. What did you get? What was your choice? Did you like the choices that I got, or did you think they kind of sucked? Anyhow, do what the sign says, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. You guys take care.